Oh, there's a Nintendo Switch right there. That is a crack in the screen right there. Ferrari. We lost money on this box. 25,000 likes, and we will do this again and double it. Last time we bought an Amazon returns pallet, you guys loved it, so we wanted to double the stakes and buy 2 boxes and double the value that we spent. But when they arrived, they were a quarter of the size of the original box. This time we bought 2 boxes. The first box value was $1,128. The second box value was $439. We have 30 items totaling $1,883.30 between the two. The total estimated retail value is $4,084, and the goal of this video, just like the last one, is to maximize profits. Let's take these back to the back of the warehouse and start opening these up, and hopefully we can maximize profits once again. Box number 1 was $439, and this box is light and small. I know for sure one of these boxes is supposed to have a Nintendo Switch in it, and if it does work, we're gonna be giving that away. All right, here we go. First box, opening up. They package it pretty nicely. So let's go ahead and get started. I dropped something. First thing that I see, we have a set of towels. Guess we'll open this up and see what's inside. Looks like we have a set of Quincy towels. It looks like they were in brand new packaging, and last sale on these would be $4.69. We're not looking good to start. All right, let's keep going. All right, we got some toys. We got a bunch of weird stuff in this one. We have a set of pulled back town vehicles. This is definitely a kid's toy again. This is definitely brand new. It's sealed. Last sale on a brand new set of these is $14.02. All right, guys, it's time for our 2 million subscriber giveaway. This is gonna be one of our biggest giveaways yet. We're giving away an iPhone 14 fully unlocked, as well as a PlayStation 5 right here. Rules for this giveaway are very simple. You have to 1, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Number 2, follow me at harrisonnevel over on Instagram. Number 3, comment on the picture that is on my Instagram and tag 2 friends on that photo. We'll pick the winner in 3 weeks time. We are about to hit 2 million subscribers. Might have already hit it by this point, and thank you guys so much for that. Here's a way of giving back an iPhone and a PS5. All right, this box is scaring me because, all right, here we go. Here's some value. Here's some value out of it. A Ring doorbell camera. These are very useful, and we might even have to put this in the warehouse. I've had these on a bunch of my different houses in the past. Let's check if it's brand new. Looks like it is brand new to me. I'm having trouble finding listings of these, and ones that don't look exactly like this. This actually looks nicer. The last sale was $140 factory sealed. Correction, I found this exact one for $64.95. But let's make sure that it's actually in here. See, the problem is if I open this up, then it's not brand new anymore if I wanted to sell it. Yeah, this was never opened. You can just tell by that right there. If this is in here, it's great. We're gonna be selling it and making our money back. All right, here we go. Look at that, brand new. That looks good. We have some uses for this anyway, so Ring doorbell, 2 right there, 140 bucks. Let's go. That was a free advertisement for Ring doorbell. Next up, we have a grill scraper. This is a Weber 3-sided grill brush. This can come in handy. It's summertime. Last sale on this exact grill brush right here was $12. All right, I see something fun here. Something that I like. We got a Franklin Pop-A-Pitch pop-up baseball set. It looks like this is one of those items that we're gonna have to give a go, you know what I'm saying? See if everything is intact on the inside. Got the bat. It ain't working. Got it. Oh, that's gone. That's a home run. Right over. Last sale on the Pop-A-Pitch was $22.39. All right, let's keep going. We got a lot of towels in here, and there's an address on here. More towels, and I see a good bit of them. Looks like we got 2 more full size and 2 smaller ones. Last sale on the bigger ones was $4.69. Last sale on the smaller ones was $3.12. And that was 2 of the smaller ones and only 1 more of the bigger one. We are currently sitting at $128.98. This is literally not looking good at all. We paid $400 for this. All right, let's keep going. We got another Ring doorbell 3 right here, a smaller one. This should definitely help with the value. This thing is sealed, never been opened. We're not gonna open this one. Last sale was $69. We're almost at $200. This is not looking great. Next up, we have something here. We have a pair of women's pants. Those are not gonna fit me. This is the brand Quincy once again. These are actually worth a good bit more than I expected. These last sale were $34.90. We might have a couple of these. I feel like, yeah, look. Here's another pair right here. Here's another pair right there. Another pair and another pair. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more pairs, bringing us to $372.48. That just really helped us there because we've been in the negative, and I hope, okay, there might be some stuff that's gonna bring us there, but that's close. 5 pairs of pants might have just saved the day. Let's see, next up, ooh, Ferrari. I'm not talking about the F1 team because it's been a tough season for Charles Leclerc, but we have a pair of Ray-Ban Ferraris right there. Pretty sweet. And we have a nice little picture of them on the back. Let's pull these out. Ooh, we got the nice red Italian stitching there on the little case. Certificate of authenticity. Iconic Ferrari red, Ray-Ban Ferrari on the side there. Let's pull these out. Let's see if these are any good. And if they're brand new, they look pretty brand new. I don't really see any Ferrari. Oh, there's a little Ferrari logo there on the side. Let's see how they look. How we looking? They look all right? Look, they're not bad. I need a Ferrari. I don't have a Ferrari. Last sale on these Ray-Ban Ferrari sunglasses was only 55 bucks. Not that expensive. Bringing our total to $427.28, and that right there, $439 is our total. So we have about 12 bucks left. I think we might end up reaching it. They're probably gonna go on harrisonnevel.com along with a lot of other stuff that you guys see on this. If you guys want it, it'll probably be on harrisonnevel.com. So it looks like we have 2 things left in this box, and that's it. We have something DeWalt, and then we have whatever this is. Now, DeWalt is typically pretty expensive and decent stuff, so that should be good. This is a Gucci Sun Soft Padded Case Green. What? Gucci? What is this? This is sunglasses. Yo, this case is crazy. What is that? Whoa, we got like a necklace. Look, we got a little Gucci dust bag there. I did not know there's Gucci in here. My wife will probably be like, oh, these are used for sure. Yeah, they've been tried on. They're not like scratched or anything, but how we looking? Look like Harry Styles.
Those are better than the Ray-Bans.
You like them better than the Ray-Bans? Dang, these are nice. And what is this? We have like a pink heart here. Am I tripping, or is it supposed to go like that?
Sheesh.
The vibes are high right now. This is nice. Ooh, these things are expensive. All right, so these brand new are $229. The thing is hitting me in the face. I told you they go off the back. It's supposed to go like this. I knew they were supposed to go on there. Last sale on these, $170. Put that up. Oh no, I just lost the total. We are at $597.28 with one item left, the DeWalt something. I'm gonna take these off because I know I look ridiculous. All right, so here we have a DeWalt brushless 3-speed oscillating multi-tool. Tool only. Battery sold separately. These brand new are about $90. Let's see the last sale. We have $88.95 on the last sale, bringing our total of box number 1, $88.95 to $686.23, which I think is really solid, which is gonna go towards the total that we paid for both boxes. All right, it's time for box number 2. And one thing on here that looks positive to me is that we have battery, which means there might be a functioning Nintendo Switch in here, which I hope. The last time we gave away PS5, and I'm hoping to give away something equivalently as cool as that. Now, I already lost my knife, so I'm using this and it's working. Ooh, let's go, let's go. Oh, there's a Nintendo Switch right there. There it is. Oh man, I hope somebody did not finesse and put rocks in here, because that has happened before. And ooh, it's got some weight to it. I don't know. If it's in there and working, you guys are getting a giveaway item at the end. So let's keep going. We got a Blink outdoor floodlight. This is a battery operated camera. So this goes in the outside of your house and it has a camera that records. Let's make sure that that's in there. These boxes don't contain as many items for us to go out and use. Here we go. That is definitely in there. This has got to have some value because again, this box costs $1,128. Last sale on this right here was $99.99. We're gonna call it $100. We're gonna add $100 to that. And I believe there's more than one. Here's another one right here. Is this the exact same? Yep. Exact same one. Make sure that it's in there. Yes, it is in there. That's another 100 right there. And then there's another similar. Oh, this is the same one. This one's all taped up though. That one sketches me out. It's in there. That's 300 bucks right there. Put that to the side. So this Blink outdoor camera goes for $100 each, and we have 3 of them. So that would be $300, bringing our total to $986.23. All right, next up. Ooh, are these AirPods? It's a pair of AirPods, but it says sample. Now, these have definitely been opened. So this is the AirPods from 2021, 3rd generation AirPods. So these are kind of newer. Definitely been opened. So let's see if these are in here. This would be pretty nice if they were in here. Okay, they are. These were definitely used. Open this up. They're in there, and there's some like stuff on them, but that's the newer AirPods. They are definitely dead and nothing else in the box. Let's plug these in for a second. Nick may want these if they work. Plug these in and see if they have any sort of power. Boom. So that means that they at least somewhat work. We'll charge those to see if they work in a minute. All right, we're gonna see if we can sync these to Nick's phone and get him a pair of AirPods. Look right there, Nick's AirPods. Now they're working. We can't play it loud because then we'd get copyrighted, but let's see. They definitely work. Last sale on the 3rd generation AirPods at 45 bucks. The last one, there's another one at $100, 82. I just say let's put them at $65 because there's prices all over, so plus 65. All right, next up we have, ooh, our podcasters here. We have a blue snowball ice. I remember having one of these back in the day, like in commentary videos about Call of Duty. Let's see if this is in here. There it is right there, the blue snowball microphone. Blue snowball ice, last sale was $19.99. That's pretty cheap. We're sitting at 1,071 right now, and we spent total $1,883. This is another $200 roughly, hopefully, but let's keep going. Ooh, we got a game right here for Xbox Series X, Hogwarts Legacy. Hogwarts Legacy, last sale, $38. Let's check this bad boy out. Disc looks good. Remember when they go to GameStop and they would check the disc? But of course, we have to try this out. All right, let's keep going. We got a pair of Beats Flex headphones. Definitely have been open. A lot of headphones in this one. Let's see. Oh, I see them. Ooh, these are used. See that? Maybe that's just dust. Nah, I think that's just dust. Beats Flex all-day wireless earphones. Last sale was $29.85. And we have another pair of AirPods. This is the AirPods Pro. This is a good one. Lost 4 pairs of AirPods. It's bad. I love them so much, but I keep misplacing them. See if these ones are in here. AirPods Pro. These definitely should be worth a good bit. Yep, there they are. Wondering what these were, but they're... Do you see the color on the ear? I can replace those, give you guys some fresh ones if somebody wants these. I believe this is the first generation AirPod Pro. Last pair of used AirPod Pros sold for $75. We're still $600 away, so a little worrisome here. All right, here we go. We have something for Xbox that's coming out. This is Xbox Twin Charge SX. I guess this is a docking station that you can charge controllers at. Put this little battery pack on here. I guess we'll plug it in and see if it works. Getting anything from this? Getting nothing from it. I'm not gonna put any value to that because it did not work. Then we have some more headphones. A pair of Beats Studio Buds. Tons of headphones. These look brand new. Brand new Beats Studio Buds. Last sale was $60 on these Beats Studio Buds. All right, we don't have a ton left. We have 3 items plus the Switch. I don't know what that is. And this, ooh, this is something we're gonna have to try out. Let's see what we got. We have a drop cable, headphone cable for Sennheiser. Let's see, this is just a audio cable. Last sale on this cable right here was $19, not too bad. All right, what is this? This is topping. It's got this over it. I have no idea what this is. Headphone amplifier? I have no idea what we're looking at here. This is a Shenzhen audio amplifier. XLR, and it's electronic. Ooh, that is a crack in the screen right there. That is no bueno. We'll try to plug this in though. Plugged it in, and nothing. That's probably a huge part of our value. This thing is cracked. We've been getting lucky with these returns, but not this time. This topping machine is $0. Retail value of that machine is 350 bucks. Ooh, that sucks. All right, next up, we have the Leisure 410W Full HD Video Projector. Now, this is something that will be cool in this warehouse because we have a lot of space and we can project stuff on the wall. Now, let's hope this one is not broken. Ooh, this is a projection screen. Comes with a projection screen. Here is the projector itself. Now, another one. I pray. All right, what kind of cable? Okay, we have HDMI's. Wait, what kind of power cable is this? That ain't US power cable. I don't have a cable for that. And what is that plug? I really wanted to try this out too. The lens and everything looks good. We'll at least see what these are worth. Oh, this is pretty inexpensive. Last sale was $55 on this projector right here, bringing us before the Switch to $13.48. We lost money on this box. This is why it looked great on the first one, and people were like, oh, that doesn't always happen. You're right, it doesn't always happen because we were taking L's. Now, if we had that $300 machine that wasn't broken, we'd be at like $1,600. We might be able to break even. All right, the final one. We have to sit down for this. We have a Nintendo Switch, and this can make or break us. Here we go. Oh, this is all packed up very nicely. I don't even have one of these. I have the Switch Lite, but here's the Switch itself. The screen looks all good. Try to power it on. It's probably dead. Oh, nope, powered on. Wow, we didn't have to plug that in. Let's go. This plugs into the TV, right? Woo, baby. One's on, click. We got the switch. Oh, we're good to go, baby. We have no games. Base, I know I'm old on this. I haven't had one of these switches. I've had just the other one. This goes into here, and then you plug it into your TV. Ooh, let's go ahead. Let's plug this in. So we're gonna plug in the AC adapter. We're gonna make sure this all works because we're giving it away. It's gotta work nice, you know? We actually might have games. Oh, we do. Pokemon Shield and Mario. Nintendo Switch works very nicely. Let's give this thing away. Last time on Nintendo Switch was $200. If you guys want to win this Nintendo Switch completely free, the rules are very simple. You have to, 1, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Number 2, go ahead and follow me at harrisonnevel on Instagram. Number 3, leave a comment on this video right here with your Instagram username down below, and that is it. Maybe I'll forget to leave that Super Mario Bros. Game in there. You guys might be able to have that. I don't know. We'll see. We spent $1,883.30, and we only made $1,348.07. We lost $500 on this deal. Luckily for us, that we make these videos and so we can make the money back, but again, not all these are winners. So if you guys wanna see us buy another one of these at maybe double the price, get this video to 25,000 likes and we will do this again and double it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Harrison, signing out.